Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to block friends on Snapchat to protect your privacy and ensure you only interact with the people you want. First, access your chat list. The quickest way to block someone is through your direct conversations, especially if they've recently sent you a message. Next, open Snapchat and swipe right from the camera screen to enter your chat feed. Scroll through your list to find the person you want to block. You can also use the search icon at the top to type in their name if they aren't appearing in your recent history. Next, open Manage Friendship. In 2026, Snapchat has grouped all unfriending and blocking tools under a single management tab to make it easier to find. Press and hold on the person's name or Bitmoji in your chat list. A menu will pop up from the bottom of your screen. Tap on Manage Friendship. This is the submenu where you'll find options like Edit Name, Remove Friend, and Block. Lastly, confirm the block. Blocking is a more permanent action than just removing a friend, so Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap the block option. A confirmation prompt will ask, "Are you sure you want to block?" Tap block again to finalize it. And that's all there is to it. To block someone on Snapchat in 2026, swipe to your chat screen, long press on their name, and select Manage Friendship. Tap block, confirm your choice, and they will be completely removed from your Snapchat experience. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.